Are you looking for the ultimate gaming phone in 2025? We've tested the fastest, most powerful flagships built for serious mobile gamers. From insane refresh rates to active cooling, these phones push performance to the edge. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. ASUS ROG Phone 9 Pro. This is the ultimate gaming smartphone, set to launch in the US in January 2025. Powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC, it delivers a noticeable leap in performance and power efficiency over its predecessor. In testing, it ran demanding games smoothly, showcasing excellent thermal management. ASUS retains key features like the ultra-smooth 165Hz display, 3.5mm headphone jack, IP68 water resistance, and fast 65-watt USB PD charging. A larger battery this time means longer gaming sessions without needing to plug in. The upgraded 50-megapixel main camera offers improved photo quality, though it still trails top camera phones. One downside is limited software support, just 2 Android OS updates, but it ships with Android 15 and a clean, bloat-free interface. Number 2. ASUS ROG Phone 8 Pro. ASUS continues to dominate the gaming smartphone market, and the ROG Phone 8 Pro is a testament to that legacy. Even with the ROG Phone 9 Pro on the horizon, the 8 Pro remains a powerhouse, delivering top-tier gaming performance thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. In benchmark tests, it outperformed every Android phone we compared it to, including its own predecessor. What truly sets it apart is the insane hardware, up to 24 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of internal storage, giving you room for every high-end game and more. ASUS also includes gamer-friendly features like customizable ultrasonic triggers, booming stereo speakers, and dual USB-C ports. Whether you're into high-res RPGs or competitive shooters, the ROG Phone 8 Pro handles it effortlessly and remains a go-to choice for serious mobile gamers. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. While Samsung doesn't label the Galaxy S25 Ultra as a gaming phone, it's undeniably one of the best devices for mobile gaming in 2025. It packs a Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chip that delivers excellent performance for demanding titles, and the 120Hz refresh rate keeps gameplay buttery smooth. Pair it with a Bluetooth controller, and it becomes a capable Xbox Game Pass streaming device. The 6.9-inch QHD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X screen is a standout, offering rich visuals and great visibility thanks to the anti-glare coating. Even outdoors, games look crisp and immersive. Samsung's smart use of AI, like Audio Eraser, adds to the experience. And with a large battery and adaptive refresh rate, the S25 Ultra easily handles long sessions without draining fast or overheating. Number 4. RedMagic 10 Pro. This is an impressive follow-up to the 9S Pro, bringing flagship performance at a surprisingly accessible price. Starting at $649, it's one of the most affordable ways to get the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, with configurations going up to a massive 24 gigabytes RAM and 1 terabyte storage. The 6.8-inch AMOLED display remains notch-free and immersive, now upgraded to a smoother 144Hz refresh rate at 2K resolution. Its aviation-grade aluminum frame and pressure-sensitive zones make it a solid pick for serious mobile gamers. Battery life gets a boost too, with a 7050 mAh cell and blazing fast 100-watt charging on the international model. It ships with Android 15 and is expected to receive Android 16, giving it respectable software longevity for a performance-focused gaming phone. Number 5. OnePlus 13R. If you want flagship performance without the flagship price, the OnePlus 13R is a fantastic value pick. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, the same one used in many premium 2024 phones, offering smooth gameplay and snappy performance. The 6.78-inch AMOLED screen supports a 120Hz refresh rate and is protected by Gorilla Glass 7i, making it ideal for both gaming and everyday use. It ships with Android 15 and Oxygen OS 15, with 4 years of OS updates promised. Battery life is also impressive thanks to the 6000 mAh cell, and 80-watt Super VOC charging means you won't be tethered to a wall for long. The design resembles the premium OnePlus 13, and you also get an upgraded 50-megapixel 2x telephoto camera for more versatile shooting. So, which is the best gaming phone of 2025? The ASUS ROG Phone 9 Pro takes the crown with its unmatched performance, advanced cooling, and gamer-focused features. If you want the best, this is it. Let us know which one you'd pick in the comments below.